Happy Diwali! Welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we are going to see how to make these beautiful frame stands. I know it's a bit late to post a video for Diwali now, but I was tested positive for COVID-19. But whatever I planned for Diwali went for a toss, but somehow I tried to make this beautiful pictures now, and let's see how to make these now. Let's begin with the frame. For that we need to make paper rolls, and to make the paper rolls, start rolling from one corner. You can take the help of a toothpick or any knitting needle or any kind of needle you can take, and start rolling from one corner. So in the end, when you get this kind of triangle, you just apply regular Fevicol and then seal it. But one thing you remember, while rolling it, you have to roll it very tight. It should not be loose at all. So first, to make this kind of frame, we need 4 such paper rolls. So this size of this frame you can decide according to the picture which you select. So here I kept the size as 16.5 height, and the width is 12 centimeters, 16.5 and 12 centimeters. I am talking about the inside size. Now cut the paper rolls according to the required size. So now the 4 paper rolls are ready. Before sticking them, we have to cut the ends in an angular way. So cutting the edges in angular way is to get the neat finish at the corners of the frame when you stick it. Now we will stick these 4 paper rolls using this M-seal. You can use Fevicryl molded epoxy compound also. The reason for using M-seal is it sticks faster than Fevicryl molded. That's it. Use little M-seal and just place it on the corner and stick it. And after sticking, don't disturb it till the M-seal becomes dry to retain its shape well. Now to make the stand for the frame, take top portion of any plastic bottle, and if your frame is big, then you need 2 paper rolls, and if your frame is small, you need only 1 paper roll. So here I am going to make the bigger frame, and that is why I am taking 2 paper rolls. Now how to increase the length of the paper roll? Just insert this paper roll in another paper roll, and while inserting, try to insert as much as inside as possible, and before inserting, apply some glue and then stick it. So here also the ends are not strong enough. trim the ends according to the size you require. Now we have to make this stand inside this top portion of the bottle with the help of M-seal, this way. Now using M-seal, we will insert this paper roll inside the plastic bottle. Keep a small portion aside to cover this part later. Now take any cardboard like this. Either you can take it from any old cardboard box or any detergent powder cardboard box or any old thick wedding card. Okay, and now the frame is dry. Place the frame on your cardboard and then make a marking from inside the frame. And now we are going to paint this cardboard. Now to paint the cardboard, we will take POP, which is plaster of Paris, and the acrylic paint. We will mix both these two, and one portion of this POP, plaster of Paris, and 2 portions of this acrylic, Fevicryl acrylic color. Now we will paint this frame and the stand using this Fevicryl acrylic color. We will make some design with Fevicryl 3D outliner on the edge of this bottle. I hope you can see this. Later we will highlight this with metallic gold color, then it will be visible very clearly. After applying 2 coats of this green paint, now this is ready to stick. I allowed it to dry completely. So now place this frame on this green cardboard and make an outline from inside. So now leave this much space on the side, on the edges, and then cut the extra piece. Fevicryl fabric glue on the edges, and then you just stick it on top of this. Now it's time to stick the picture on this frame. How to get these pictures? Just download some pictures, like I selected few pictures from the net, and you can just go to any Xerox person and then tell them to get it printed in color. So here I just got them printed like a few pictures, and now I am going to stick this Ganpati on this frame. What you have to do after getting them printed, just cut it along the outline. Even if it doesn't come out very neatly, we can hide it by doing some outline 3D, by using some 3D outliners, and then make it very nicely. Now apply this Fevicryl fabric glue on this Ganpati and spread it evenly with your finger and then stick it on the frame. Now using these Fevicryl 3D outliners and some Kundan stones, we can highlight this jewelry and then some outline also. This using the Kundan stones is absolutely your choice, not necessary you have to use them. Only with the 3D outliners also you can highlight the jewelry. After highlighting the jewelry, now make the outline with this Fevicryl 3D outliner. I selected this metallic gold and try to make this dotted outline as fine as possible. So after highlighting the jewelry, this is how it's looking, and you can fill the corners also by making some design. Now to get the antique finish on the frame, take little pearl metallic gold paint on your finger and just apply on the frame. So this way, and on this stand apply some gold paint on the sponge and just dab it on the design which we made. Now the design on the four corners is ready. So the frame is ready with the paint and all the highlighting, everything. So now paint the back side of the frame also using the same Fevicryl black color paint, and in the same proportion, 2 portions of POP and 1 portion of black color. So now the frame is ready and the stand is ready. It's time to stick them. So first make a line in the center so that while sticking it to the stand, it won't go wrong. So some frames you can make, you can stick pictures, and some frames you can make rangoli designs like this. I mean, we call it kolam. If you are not very familiar with doing these kolams, you can practice it on some paper and then you can draw it on the frames. You can make this design using a Fevicryl 3D outliner, or you can use a brush also. I am comfortable with the 3D outliner, so I am going to make the design with this. So here I made a few more picture frames like this, and in the print this was too fine, this portion, so I couldn't cut it properly, so I just removed the whole thing and I made my own design. So here also I made my own design. So while cutting the picture, if you cut any portion by mistake, so don't worry, you can make your own design. And as this portion is empty, I made some design with the 3D outliners. This is column design. So you can make different picture frames and different columns. So now the final finishing part is to apply varnish on the surface where we use the paint. That is to make them waterproof and seal the paint also. Here I used Ecuador PU water-based varnish, and it comes only in 1 liter container. So but still I think it's the best varnish I have ever used. So you can transfer it into a small container and then you can use it. So this is how you can make these beautiful frame stands, and with different pictures and different column designs. This is what Art and House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share and comment. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.